Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. So we got March Boxycharm, yay! And we're gonna be unboxing it together because I'm so excited for this box. It's so cool. So if you wanna see what I got in my box, please keep watching. I am like so excited for this box. If this is the first time you ever see my face, this beautiful face, this crazy face, please don't forget to subscribe down below and follow me on social media. Here my channel, here my links. You guys can always follow me and see what I'm up to. You might be following me. Thank you. And if you're a recent subscriber, thank you so much for always following me, and thank you so for always staying subscribed. So March Boxycharm, and it's such a big box. Look at this box, big Boxycharm. So let's open it up. Like, it's crazy good. It's really good. Look at all these products. It's gonna be the first thing that we're gonna open up. So, oh, it's red. Well, has it opened been red? Oh, anyway, so look at this. Look what I got. So it's the Berry Cherry Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm from Pharmacy. Yay! It's so pretty. Look at that. Okay, so let's open it up. Look at this. It's so pretty. Limited edition. So let's open it up. It comes with a spoon, so you don't have to put your nasty ass fingers in there. It smells like strawberry. Look at that. It's so pretty. Wow. Let's see. It's a cleansing balm. And I put a little bit right here. I put too much. Yeah, I put too much. Oh my god, yeah, I put too much. So it says that it removes the makeup. Oh yeah. See, that's it. I am so wasteful. My goodness. It smells really good. It smells like strawberries. Berries. And this one, it's made exclusively for us, for Boxycharm. So it's a pink cherry essence version of our best-selling green cleansing balm. Okay, so I still have the other one, so this is a new one, and my collection is actually getting really big. So it says here how to use. So it's gently massage onto dry skin for eye makeup removal. So you can use it for makeup removing and for cleaning, I think, cleansing with warm water or wipe off with damp. So they're made for Korea. So I believe this is from Korea. So this is kind of like K-beauty skincare. So I guess so. I don't know. I'm just asking for a friend. My fucking list came out. Really hoping for it, and I got it. I'm very happy. So this item right here will be going in my giveaway, and it's from Ditch by Jessica Lieberstein. So this one is gonna be going on my giveaway. So a lucky subscriber will be getting this. As you guys know, I have a giveaway going on, but it's taking forever because I'm not even close to 2K, and my giveaway was gonna be started on the 2K. So once I hit 2K on my channel, I'm gonna announce who's the winner of the giveaway. So if you're not subscribed, if you want to enter my giveaway, go to my channel and subscribe. The link is right here. Subscribe. So this is actually the first time I get hair stuff. So this is Project Beauty Hair Gort. Project Beauty Hair Gort. So this is a almond honey intense repair yogurt that is so nice because I've been looking for something like this because my hair is really dry, and I need something that will help my hair, be a little bit healthy. I haven't cut it like in 3 years, and as I wanted to really grow, see how it smells because I always have to smell things. So it actually smells like honey and almonds. Oh, that sounds yummy, really yummy. So it's cruelty free, yay! So the cruelty free, that's a good thing. and it helps repair damaged, fragile, and brittle hair. So I'll be using this product that I need. Next thing on the box, this product was actually a choice. This curler was actually a choice that I picked. A new curling iron, so you guys can see my hair is a mess. So it's Trap products. I'm at work. I work in retail. As you guys can know, I think I mentioned it before. I work in retail, but we sell sutra at my work. And I always wanted to get the curling iron because I hear that people, their curling irons are really good. So I was like, I want to get it. And then I get the choice saying that I get to choose a sutra or something else, and I picked the. I'll be doing a tutorial how to do my hair curly. As you guys can see, I have it curling right now. So I'll be doing a video on this product. Last but not least, and I'm so excited for this product because I always wanted to use it, and it's from Hank & Henry, Living in Color. It is such a beautiful palette, and of course the cruelty free, and it's a matte eyeshadow ingredient 2016. 2016, and it's a vegan, cruelty free, gluten free. So let's open this big ass package. I want to come out. I love the design of this palette. Look at that, it's so pretty. It's so shimmery, and it shows you the colors in the back, and also shows you the names of each color. And I love the design of this palette. It's so pretty, and it comes with a mirror. Here are all the colors, and I love this blue right here. Look at that. And of course I'm gonna be doing swatches. It's so radiant. Look at that, such a pretty color. And then here we have another one, but this one is shimmer. Oh, I didn't do it that much. There you go. That one is so pretty. Looks like emerald. And then we have another shimmer. And then we have another shimmer. Did I do it? Oh, I put the blue. Okay, so this one. It was this one. And I love how the colors are so pretty. They're so pretty, and they're very, you can tell by the quality of the product, they're very like, how can I say this, smooth. And then we have another purple color right here. There you go. That's pretty. Oh, I love that color. Look at that. And we have another green right here. I think I already did it. No, I didn't. Those are the shimmers. Now we're gonna do the mates. I'm always gonna do the mates on the other side of my pen. So here's a mate. Here's a brown one. And then here's another brown one. Another brown. And wait, the blue one. The blue one was made. I'm such a dummy. There you go. Those are the main. And we missed another one. Here's another brown, and there you go. Wow, look at the quality of this product. No fallout whatsoever. And the color, it comes with the mirror. You guys can see it comes with the mirror, and the colors are in the back. So we got some sultry cyan, drag queen blood, Rutier La Canela, Mariana French, Ondiala, Boitoi, Betu Fosha. And the design of it, that's what caught my eye. And the colors are coming. It's so like freaking extreme. I love this palette. So here you go, my March unboxing from Boxycharm. Let me know in the comment below what you think about the unboxing. Was it good? Did you get the same item? Did you get the same variation? And of course, there's no card. They don't. I think they stopped including cards. I believe. I didn't even get that email saying what I'm gonna get on the box. So I mean, it's kind of like suspense, but then you actually wanna start getting the cards because I collect them. I actually collect the cards. I keep them as like, hey, a momentum. Maybe if I get out of Boxycharm, I've been trying to, but I can't because I always keep getting some good ass shit on the boxes. I'm gonna start doing it. So I guess we're not gonna get cards anymore. Maybe they run out, or they're just gonna give them to the other people. But that's the second time in a row that I don't get a card. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. What you think about the swatches? Let me know in the comment section. Follow me on social media. Here are the links. I'm always there. You want to be my friend? Here you go. You can always follow me there. This video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.